Gold and silver traded bearish yesterday, but still yet to break below the critical support levels, and we have seen a recovery from the support levels precisely as we have discussed. 3280 3300 levels for gold and 3280 $3300 levels for silver. Precisely, we have seen the reversal from the same levels. So can we say that the lows for the day, for the week are done, and are we looking forward to a rally, or we are still going to look forward to a drop today? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver today? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. I'm not only going to give you the trading levels, but also going to give you the reason behind each and every level. And this is the only channel to do so twice a day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, on the hourly charts, you can see this is the zone which gold needs to break. See, first rise, then retracement, second rise, the retracement. And now precisely getting the support from this zone. And this zone is getting critical till towards 32 7680. We have got very good support levels available for gold. Now see what has happened. Hitting the zone, we have seen a retracement, but notice the case here was different. The case here is different. The moving averages have crossed over. The moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. Also, the prices have now retraced towards the 20 and 50 period moving average. So now if you see gold trading below 3298, you can take a sell. But then 3290, 3280, 76, these are the two levels you have to watch out for. If at all gold decides to drop below 32 76 80 zone, you can stay short. What we will look forward to, we can in fact expect it to move towards 3266, 3250 levels, the next targets. Possibility exists. See, drop retracement, and see this is how it has been trading. Drop retracement, drop retracement, lower highs are getting created, lower lows are getting created. On the upside till 33 25 26 is not taken. You have to be careful. In fact, beyond 33 25 26 is 33 30 32 33 40 till 40 and till 33 50. You should not be treating gold as bullish. So now we have a zone 3350 on the upside, 3280 76 on the downside. This is precisely the zone where we should not treat either gold as bullish or bearish. But once it comes out of this zone, you can expect the direction. Now see what's happening here. Notice after this drop, we have seen a good retracement, and now it has come out of this channel as well, which is a retracement channel. So this is slight bearish indication, but the most important part for gold is to trade below 32 76 80, which will confirm the further downside here. Stochastic looking down. See, MACD after the retracement, MACD after the drop has crossed over and it is looking upwards, trading bullish. It is not that it cannot drop further, but right now it is looking upwards. RSI positioned comfortably here. Coming to the 2-hour charts, what has happened on the 2-hour chart? See, here the moving averages have come and these are on the verge of a crossover. What has happened? Prices retraced towards the 20 and 50 period moving average and finding it difficult to break, again trying to drop here. Now I will only recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 3298 and then to 3290, 3280, 76. These are going to remain the key support levels here. Now the convergence here is very important. Possibly with the next candle these might cross over, which is again a bearish sign. The stochastic at top, the MACD has dropped sharp. It is converging here, not yet crossed over. It is not that it cannot drop further. Be mindful. If it starts to diverge here, we can see it hitting the bottom and the prices are going to move towards 32 40 50 zone. RSI comfortably positioned here. On the 3-hour charts, when you see similar observation on the 3-hour chart, notice after the drop retracement, it has kissed the 20 period. See, this is a reversal sign, increasing body size. So possibly now gold might try to trade bearish. Gold might try to take a U-turn from here, and we might see it hitting all the way here towards 3290 and lower levels very soon. Now the other way to look here is the support it is getting from the 100 period. That it is very important for gold to trade now below 3290, 3280, 76 zone. The stochastic rising, the MACD is still bearish here. The RSI is running flat, not yet taking a direction. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now similar is the observation on the 4-hour chart. The drop, the retracement, reversal sign, first red candle. So second candle might be further bearish. It could be with further increasing body size. The possibility of a move towards 32 92.94, 32.90 levels exist, which should offer a very good support. If it trades now below 32.90, more bearishness should prevail. And if it trades below 32.80, 76, that is the next target zone, below which certainly more bearishness should be there, which could take it all the way towards 32.66, 64 and 32.50 levels here. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over trading bearish, RSI running flat. Coming to daily chart, on the daily chart, see, lower highs are there, gap is there. With that as gap, now prices are seen taking support from the 20 period. It is very important on the daily chart for the gold to trade below 20 period moving average, which is right now positioned at around 32.90 levels. It is very important for it to close below this, because a closer below the 20 period will be a confirmation of a reversal here. Now I will still say that, see, it is still staying in this moderately bearish channel. It is a nice flag formation after a good rise. So a move beyond 33.50, 33.60 is a clear sign of reversal. If it stays beyond 33.60, you have to close your eyes, you have to stay bullish. That is the level beyond which we will look forward to a massive rally here. Let's see the direction which it takes here. Right now I can say it is perfectly positioned and placed within the zone, and now it is very much intended to break below 32.90, 32.80 zone. Stochastic looking down, the MACD again trying to converge and crossover for sell. It is not yet crossed over, RSI running flat. So looking at this, what I'll recommend you to only buy if you see it is staying above 33.16 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 33.24, 26 the first target zone, 33.32 the next, and 33.40, 42 the third. Beyond this, 33.50, 52 will appear, and if this is taken, then you have to just stay bullish. We are looking forward to 33.64, 33.80, and in fact 3400 levels. Beyond 33.52 and 33.60, sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, now before I provide you the complete level, see how easily in just few minutes we have analyzed the complete charts and we have arrived at the levels. And you can also learn this art of trading. You can be part of my 33rd mentorship batch starting 2nd of June. Connect with me, write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, you have to reach out to me for your queries related to the services, be it the mentorship batch or the signals channel. And yes, once you have your trades ready, you should have a place where you can trade safely. The broker, the trusted partner which can offer you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the trusted partner link in the channel and video description. Now on the sell side, I will recommend you to sell at 32.98, where you can expect 32.92.90 as the first target zone, 32.84, or rather I'll say 32.80 and 32.76 as the next target levels, 32.64, 66 as the third, and 32.50 the fourth. If gold decides to breach 32.50, I think we should look forward to a greater correction here. What we will look forward to, we should look forward to 32.32, 32.18 and 3200 levels here. Possibilities exist for sale. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see, after the retracement, it has given a breakout bounce. And now it is trying to trade in this nice flag formation. Now it appears 33.20 should offer a very good support. So any drop below 33.20 is a sign of bearishness here. If you see silver trading below 33.20, when you see the higher price below 33.20, you can take a sell. Expect 33 the first target zone, 32.80 the next. Any drop below 32.80 is a clear sign of prevailing bearishness here. Notice what's happening. Drop, bigger drop, retracement, a smaller retracement, then a smaller drop, and then the retracement. So it is consolidating here like this. Now the highs at 33.60 are getting critical. A move beyond 33.60 and 33.80 is a clear sign of a rally ahead. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising signs are still supportive for further rise. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, it has found its support, trying to break out, and see it is trading in this bullish channel here. I'll wait for it to either trade below 33.20 or to trade beyond 33.60 levels. As long as this zone is respected, you have to be careful with the positions here. Stochastic is overbought while the MACD has crossed over here, which is a supportive sign for the bulls, and the RSI is rising here. On the 3-hour charts, when you see, similar is the observation. See, it is not that it cannot reverse, because this is a reversal sign, first red candle, and if the current candle turns red, that is the confirmation of a reversal here. This is something you should watch out for. Moving averages are still bullish while the stochastic is overbought and the MACD is trying to converge here. RSI is rising. On the 4-hour, we have similar observations. See, it has formed a very good base. With that as base, it is trying to break out. It is trying to rise. And here, the increasing body size is a sign that more bullishness may prevail. But I'll definitely watch out if it tries to breach 3350, 3360 zone, which should offer a very good resistance for silver on the upside. Moving averages are bullish. Stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is running flat. Coming to daily chart, on the daily chart, see reversal sign. First of all, look at the resistance here, pretty strong. What silver is trying to do is staying in the box here right now. See what has happened, reversal sign, increasing body size. And thus today again we may see a red candle here, but I will say you have to watch out because see the body size here is increasing in nature. However, when you look at the complete move, the tail is bigger, the body is smaller, suggests that the prices were not willing to stay lower, and that is why we can see a closer with a smaller body here. And thus if you see silver trading beyond 3360, you can stay with the buys. It is possible that it can move towards 3350, 60 and then start to reverse and drop here. Now notice what's happening in silver. Divide this into two. You can see double top here. You can see a sideways movement. So 32 and 3165 on the downside, 3350 and 3380 on 3360 and 3380 on the upside. This is a zone where we need to exercise complete caution. Notice the sideways movement is appearing after the drop. It is retraced and now it is trading sideways here. So it has to come out of this box in order to decide a direction. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is still bullish, the RSI is flat. So looking at this, what I'll recommend, buying entry as only above 3350 levels here, where you can expect 3370, 3375 levels. And yes, as long as 3375 levels are not taken, do not treat this as bullish, beyond which you can expect it to move towards 3405, 3410 levels. And if that is taken, then 3440, 3450 should be there as the next target. See, this is a breakout move. Once it trades beyond 3375 and 3410, it is a breakout here and it should rally strong. However, right now I'll say too early to conclude with that. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3320 levels. When you see the higher prices below 3320, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 33 and 3280. If these two levels are taken, I will look forward to 3250, 3240 as the first target zone, $32 levels as the next target zone. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.